Physics is the backbone of our universe. Nothing could exist without motion and physics. These things that do exist all follow the three laws of motion, which is a concept discovered by a physicist named Isaac Newton in 1686. My name is Rafi. And this is a presentation on Newton's three laws of motion.
Newton's first law states that objects at rest stay at rest unless affected by an outside force. The object is just too lazy to move. The scientific term for this laziness is called inertia. We couldn't move an object without applying an unbalanced force to it unless, of course, we are members of the Jedi. Hey, that's fake.
Busted. I used tape and I pulled on the tape. That's an outside force. Newton's first law also states that objects in motion will stay in motion, similarly to the first bout, once again, unless acted on by an outside force. You may be thinking, how come I can't throw a ball and have it go on forever? That is because many outside forces are acting on it, such as gravity or friction. Newton also discovered that the entities of mass, force, and acceleration are all related, which he stated in his second law. He created an equation which states that the force of an object is equal to its mass times acceleration, or F equals ma. Using this equation, you can predict how much force is necessary to move a certain object, or how far an object will move with the amount of force you're applying to it.
You can demonstrate an aspect of this law by pushing these two chairs at the exact same speed. Take it away, Rafi.
So using this rod, I'm going to push these two chairs as closely as I can using the same amount of force. So we're going to see which one moves farther. You can see that the smaller chair, which weighs much less, moves farther than this one, which weighs much more.
Newton discovered that every action develops an equal or opposite reaction. If force is thrust onto an object, the object will return the force equally, but in the opposite direction. That is how bikes or ice skating work. You apply the force to the ground, and the ground is pushing you in the opposite direction.
This is also how a hula hoop works. If I slide it, the ground is pushing it in the opposite way of the force, which is putting an opposite force, making it go the other way. Another example of Newton's law, if I throw it like this, against the wall, it bounces back. For every action, there is an equal and opposite.
Thanks for watching this video, guys, about the Newton's three laws of motion. I hope you learned something new today.